Good morning, Jenny. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been dealing with a problem that's been bothering me for quite some time. I've been struggling with constipation. It takes me 2 or 3 days to have a bowel movement, and it's causing me abdominal pain, bloating, and a lot of discomfort. I feel like it's affecting my quality of life. Can you help me?
Constipation is definitely frustrating, but we can work on solving this together. First, we need to identify what might be contributing to the problem. I want to learn more about your routine and lifestyle. Are you taking any medications right now?
Yes, I'm taking vitamin A to help improve my skin. I take 1 capsule a day.
Got it. Now, tell me, do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Other than that, I don't have any serious health problems, except for a slight pain in my knees, probably from when I used to play semi-professional tennis.
It's good to hear that you stay active. Exercise is crucial for intestinal health, but when the digestive system isn't functioning well, diet often plays a key role. Now, tell me a bit about your diet. What do you typically eat throughout the day?
For breakfast, I usually have scrambled eggs with bread and butter, and I drink 2 glasses of milk. For lunch, I typically eat rice or pasta with either beef or grilled chicken, and sometimes I add a small salad. In the afternoon, I snack on cookies and fruit, and for dinner, I generally have mashed potatoes with chicken or beef, and occasionally some corn.
I see. Well, Jenny, looking at your diet, it's clear that there are certain foods that could be contributing to your constipation. Your diet is quite low in fiber, which is essential to keeping your bowel movements regular. Without enough fiber, stools become dry and compact, making it harder for them to pass through your digestive system. Now, let's talk specifically about the worst foods for constipation. These foods are often the main culprits behind slow bowel movements and hardened stools.
What are these foods, doctor?
To start, processed foods like white bread, crackers, chips, and fast food. These foods are low in fiber and high in fats and additives that can slow down your digestion. Scientific studies have shown that diets high in processed foods and low in fiber can reduce the frequency of bowel movements and increase the sensation of abdominal discomfort. The issue is that these foods lack the nutrients that promote healthy digestion and often contain preservatives that can interfere with the natural digestive process. When you consume these types of foods frequently, stools can become dry and harder to pass. Another group of foods that could be contributing to your issue is dairy products, especially cheese and whole milk. Excessive consumption of dairy can lead to hardened stools, particularly for people with some degree of lactose intolerance. Lactose, when not properly digested, ferments in the intestines, causing gas, bloating, and often worsening constipation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that high dairy consumption, especially in people who are lactose intolerant, is directly linked to constipation. Refined sugars, found in sodas, sweets, cakes, and desserts, are also a major culprit. Refined sugar can disrupt the balance of gut flora, encouraging the growth of harmful bacteria that can hinder proper digestion. In addition, consuming large amounts of sugar can lead to inflammation in the intestines, further impairing digestion.
So, almost everything I'm eating is contributing to the problem, isn't it?
In a way, yes, Jenny. Also, red meats can be particularly problematic. Meats like beef are low in fiber and take longer to digest, which can lead to slower bowel movements and harder stools. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology showed that diets high in red meat are associated with a higher prevalence of constipation due to their low fiber content. Fried foods and those high in saturated fats, like French fries and fast food, also slow down the digestive process. These foods not only slow digestion but can also increase the risk of intestinal inflammation, making it even harder for stools to pass.
Wow, I really had no idea that all of this could be impacting my digestion so much. How can I replace these foods? Is there a simple way to improve my diet without making drastic changes?
Absolutely, Jenny. We can start by making simple, effective substitutions. For breakfast, for example, a great option would be to swap out the bread and butter for a bowl of oatmeal. Oats are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which help increase stool bulk and make it easier to pass through your intestines. To complement that, adding high-fiber fruits like an apple with the skin or a pear will give your digestion an extra boost. At lunch, an important change would be to replace white rice with brown rice or quinoa, which have significantly more fiber. You should also try to incorporate more vegetables, especially cruciferous ones like broccoli, cauliflower, and spinach. These vegetables are loaded with fiber and nutrients that promote gut health. For dinner, instead of mashed potatoes, you could go with sweet potatoes or fiber-rich root vegetables like carrots and beets. These foods provide a feeling of fullness while also aiding digestion and promoting a healthy bowel movement. Don't forget to add a good portion of leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are also excellent sources of fiber.
Those changes sound easy to implement. What about snacks? What can I eat in the afternoon?
For snacks, avoid eating cookies or crackers. Instead, seeds like chia or flax seeds are excellent options. They are very high in fiber and can be easily added to smoothies, yogurts, or even salads. These seeds help lubricate your digestive tract and improve stool movement. Another great option is nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews. Not only do they provide fiber, but they also offer healthy fats that support digestion. If you're craving something sweet, fruits like dried prunes are well known for their natural laxative properties. Or, you could go for citrus fruits like oranges, which are rich in water and soluble fiber, both of which are great for improving bowel movements.
That makes a lot of sense, Doctor. I think I can make these changes in my daily routine. But is there any supplement I could take to speed up the process?
Yes, Jenny. In addition to dietary changes, you can enhance the results by using a natural supplement. I recommend Synagut, which is completely natural and designed to help with digestive health. It contains a blend of probiotics, prebiotics, fiber, and herbs that help regulate bowel movements effectively and naturally. Synagut is particularly effective because it promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping to balance your gut flora. This is crucial because a healthy microbiome is what keeps your digestive system functioning properly. Additionally, Synagut contains fiber and gentle laxatives that encourage regular bowel movements without causing dependency or discomfort, unlike common laxatives. Another great feature of Synagut is that it helps detoxify the digestive system, eliminating accumulated toxins and promoting overall digestive health. All of this is done without any harsh chemicals or synthetic additives, which is a big plus.
This sounds exactly like what I've been looking for. Where can I buy this supplement?
You can purchase Synagut directly from the link pinned in the comments below. It's a quick and secure process, and the supplement comes with a 60-day guarantee. That means you can try it without any worries, and if you're not satisfied with the results, you can request a refund.
Perfect, Doctor. I'll make these changes to my diet and give Synagut a try. I hope this will finally solve my constipation.
I'm sure it will, Jenny. Also, it's very important that you stay well hydrated. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Water helps soften stools and makes it easier for them to move through the intestines. If you increase your fiber intake but don't drink enough water, it could actually make constipation worse, so be mindful of that.
Got it, I'll make sure to drink more water. Thank you so much for the advice, Doctor. Your tips have been really helpful.
You're welcome, Jenny. I'm here to help with anything else you need.